So when you're leaving tomorrow,
Okay, so hi guys, I'm taking a unexpected trip to Austin, Texas. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of a video of the landscape and whatnot on the way down there. Bye.
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
There goes Kelly dropping me off from getting the rental car, which was
Use the right lane to turn right to I-70 West.
I'm not going that way, honey, so okay, keep up. There she goes. Bye-bye, Kelly.
In 500 feet, turn left. Turn left on East 42nd Street South. And turn right on East 42nd Terrace South.
Stop, McDonald's. Now we're approaching Lamar, Missouri, and it's one of the favorite stops of my older sister when she's driving to and from Kansas City and Dallas. And why is that, you ask? Well, that would be because it has a Walmart.
And it's also Harry Truman's birthplace.
Continue straight for 5 minutes to Missouri 249 South to I-44, I-49, Joplin.
It's been a long time since I've come this way. I used to go to Tulsa all the time for college. And, set this down. There we go. I am taking the right-hand turn at Carthage to go through Webb City. I think maybe we'll see the praying hands before it's with the so back in college, come this way, you get to see the praying hands. I went to college at Oral Roberts. They had praying hands there too, so it's just like a trip down memory lane. We'll see. Not sure if this will take me all that way. I mean, I know it does, but I think they've built a cutoff since then. That might be quicker that I'll take. We'll see. But either way, I'll stop in Joplin because I'm a couple hours away from Kansas City now, and I need a stretch break. Okay. Alrighty, so now I'm in Joplin. This brings back a horde of memories. Stopped at that McDonald's. I can't tell you how many times for a pit stop. But I'm looking for a Walmart, I think. Okay, now I've gone through Joplin, taken my little bit of a break, and I am heading into Oklahoma onto the Will Rogers Turnpike. We'll see here in a second. Many moons ago, when I did this as a kid, you'd have to stop and get a ticket at a toll booth up here. Last exit before Oklahoma, toll road ahead. Yeah, so you'd have to stop up here and get a ticket, and then you could get on the turnpike, and then you paid when you got off. But now you just breeze right on through and only pay when you get off, which seems to make much more sense. Much more sense to me. off into the state that says, "Hey, don't pick up hitchhikers. They could be, I can't remember what the sign says. Something like that. Don't pick up hitchhikers. They could be escaped inmates." There's the Oklahoma sign. Wow, that's changed since I was a kid. That's a different symbol. I am now in Oklahoma. Woohoo! Oklahoma, where the wind goes whipping down the plain. Yeah, that's this Oklahoma. There's Oklahoma for you. Rolling hills, sweeping vistas. One of my favorite little hills coming up. Hopefully you can see it. Tree on top, cattle. This is what I think of when you say Oklahoma. So now guys, you're coming up on one of the biggest landmarks of the drive on I-44 to Tulsa, which is the McDonald's that spans the width of the highway. It was. And take a left here at the woodshed by the Big Indian, which I'll show you in a second. Oh, maybe you can see it over the top of that truck. And I am going to head south to Dallas. Okay, we're getting close to Texas. About to go, I think we just went through Durant. Tired. I need a Bucky sign. And I'm gonna spend the night in Dallas instead of going all the way down. There's the old bridge over there. Here's the Red River. Woohoo! There you go. Red River rivalry. Texas, Oklahoma. So apparently I'm almost in Texas. There's the Texas sign. About missed it. Welcome to Texas. They are proud of their star. I tell you what, I would be if I were them too. All right, made it to Texas. I don't know if you can see it. There's the countdown. 21 miles. I don't know how we get from here to there. But that's lucky. We'll be getting that for Mama, that's for sure. Oh man, that smells good. Cinnamon almonds, scone. goodness. So I've made it to my hotel, I think. Gonna go in and find out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'll be a proper YouTuber. Here's my bathroom facility. Nice shower. And then the room. Step number one, try out the bed. I'm so tired in that car. Wow, it was not comfortable at all. Wow, am I glad to get to a bed that's pretty comfortable. Gee willikers, I'm tired. Time to call the family and let them all know I made it safe. And in here is a grilled cheese, strawberry shake, grape soda. Yes, I'm reverting back. I'm a child tonight. Okay, I lied. It's actually a grilled cheese with bacon. Okay, now I'm leaving this beautiful. Clean up that mess this morning. Okay, true story. A little windy here in Texas. So I'm driving a rental. I think it'd be great, but it's a Chevy Equinox. And there's really not one thing about this Chevy Equinox. Well, that's not true. It got me here. It'll get me down to Austin. But I don't like this vehicle at all. It's tiny, and the seats are really hard. And yeah, so not super happy with it. But nevertheless, here I go. I'm going to head off down to Austin now from Dallas. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe when we get by these trees. Giant joystick. And now it's Bucky's number 2. Also massive. So, as you can see from that big Texas flag, I made it here. So you can probably see it. I don't know if I can get it, me and it in. I did make it down to Texas, and I'm on my way to visit my friend. Thanks for driving with me. Bye. Hey guys, I made it to my friend's. She's been really sick, so made it down here. Thanks for traveling with me. I'll see you later.